In this video, I will go through the first three sections of UVM IEEE Standard document. This video helps for UVM learners and who want to go through IEEE version document. UVM is case sensitive. All UVM classes, global methods, and variables can be accessed from UVM package using scope resolution operator. UVM does not require any timescale. There are some definitions which are important. Agent. It encapsulates driver, sequencer, and monitor, and no other components. Export and port. These two ports are used for connecting UVM components. Monitor is always passive entity, only samples DUT traffic. Scoreboard. It receives packets from the monitor and compare actual packets with the expected packets. Sequence. It is the set of transactions to be executed in parallel or in sequence. Sequencer. Sequencer runs all sequences. There are some abbreviations which are important. API, Application Programming Interface, DPI, Direct Programming Interface. In the next video, I will go through the next three sections.